see this dark ass blonde I got in my freaking hair, dude? I'm about to remove this shit with some. I'm sorry I cussed out, you guys.
Turn right.
But I'm about to remove this with a vitamin C treatment.
In 600 feet, turn right.
Sorry, that's my GPS. I've never, hold on. I've never removed.
Turn right. Then
Vitamin C.
you will arrive at your destination.
Oh my god. Okay, I never used vitamin C to remove hair toner, but we're gonna do that shit today. And hopefully, you know, I know it's gonna remove all the damn toner because vitamin C treatments work good to
You have arrived.
it works good when you remove your hair dye, if you're doing it right. If you don't know how to whip up a good vitamin C treatment, then it's not gonna work. What are you doing, stupid car? Sorry guys, I'm in my apartment complex and these stupid dumbass cars. I mean, condominium apartments, building, whatever the fuck you wanna call it. Anyways, so we're gonna see how it turns out. Let's just take a good look at my hair. This is my hair. Dark. And I only washed my hair, like, this shit been in my hair for 2 weeks, and I washed my hair twice. I know you guys probably thinking, ew, how gross. But I wash my hair once a week. I wash the shit once a week, so that's why I only washed it twice. And I'll be right back to show you guys what my hair looks like after the treatment. We're only gonna do one treatment, just one. They're 500 milligram vitamin C tablets. For some reason, Walmart only had the vitamin C tablets with rose hemp in it. So it has rose hemp. There was no regular vitamin C without that shit. So I bought that. I'm gonna use about 10. I want to use 10 capsules of 1,000. So we're gonna add 20 of them and double up double it up. Since they're 500 milligrams, we're gonna use 2 pills as 1 pill, 1,000. So we're gonna use about 20 of them. So 20 of them makes up 10 1,000 milligram pills. So hold on. Guys, how dark my hair looks. I didn't unbraid this so you guys can see. How dark this blonde is. That's how dark my hair is. Here's the powder, you guys. I'm about to add the Suave Daily Clarifying Shampoo in here. I just add enough to make a paste. And I know my lipstick's like halfway off. This is what I need to remove all of this. Let me show you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wet my hair with really hot water and just barely wet it, not like soak it. And I'm going to just add this paste. Oh, sorry. I'm going to add this paste into my hair and let it sit for about 30 minutes, then wash it out. Then I'll be back to show you guys what it looks like dried. I don't have any conditioner, so after I wash out the treatment and the shampoo, I'm going to shampoo my roots with this. I'll never use none of this shit in my hair ever, but I ran out of vitamin E, olive oil. So I'm going to use this as conditioner and wash my hair with that crap. So, hold on. This is what my hair looks like after I washed out the toner. Now, I remind you guys, I used one side of my hair with the 10 volume developer, and the other side was with the 20 volume developer. Sorry the sun isn't out, Okay, I noticed that I left my hair more like, well, it's kind of dirty. Did you guys get a good look? Let me show you guys again. This is what my hair looks looking like now. And my hair looks, I feel like it looks more orange. Like, to me it looks more orange. My hair looks way more orange than it did before. I don't know why it looks like that. And I know all the toner did come out because this side of my hair and this side of my hair are the exact same color. And I did tone my hair on this side with a different toner and did tone this side with a different toner, but it left my hair looking like this after I removed it. More orangey looking. My hair looks more gold than it did before, but hope this video could help someone out. Toodles, peace out, and happy trails.